hitting another blues trail ride on this magnificently beautiful day. Right now we're on Highway 1, about to enter the community of Gunnison. We're heading to Waxhaw, Mississippi to pick up our first blues marker for today, named Otis Clay. And I have my lovely daughter here with me. Say what's up.
Hello.
Your destination is on the right.
The back of the Blues Trail marker was faded, so here's some information from the Mississippi Blues Trail website.
All right, everybody, that was Otis Clay. This is a beautiful spot here. Right now we're about to head to Rosedale, Mississippi. They have two blues markers there, so we're gonna pick both of those up. All right, let's roll out. Alrighty.
So you know we have murder hornets here now.
Yeah, that's what I heard. Killer bees, murder hornets, and don't forget, mosquitoes. They just got it. All right, everybody, that was Rosedale. We're gonna pick up this bird. Sorry. Got a nice bird, dude. You see that?
No, I didn't know. Oh, there it is. Follow it.
Okay.
That's right, peoples. About the only other thing that'll get me giddy like this are aircraft. Now let's visit this last blues marker in Rosedale.
All righty. Looking nice and cool.
The back of this blues trail marker was faded as well, so I just made one myself. I honestly did not know that the bird was in this shot until I started editing this video.
All right, everybody, that was Hot Tamales and the Blues. And now we're just gonna take a little drive through Rosedale, and then we're gonna head on back to the house. Hope you guys enjoyed this blues trail ride. Take care. As always, be blessed. Peace.
Peace.
I made a call. I go hand salute. I say, what is it? Hand salute and then order on? I tell you what, I do Boy Scouts. I go hand salute, then I say two drop. Alright, ready? Thank you, ready? Alright, here we go. Hand salute. Two. Wait a minute. We're supporting our troops. Special shout out to my daughter-in-law. Air Force all the way. Alright, once again, we'll see you. Take care. Be blessed. Stay safe. Peace out. All right, you cats, you see what's going on up here? It's getting overlaid. They need to do that at Highway 6. It's been a long time. Highway 6. Do something with it. Please.
We're rolling back through the big city of Grenada, not Grenada, Grenada, to visit the blues marker for Magic Sam.
Hey, everybody. Hello. All right, we're on another blues trail ride. we're gonna pick up Magic Sam outside of Grenada, Mississippi. It's a beautiful day today.
Beautiful. See how the sun, it just making my skin just pop.
There it is.
Got that glow.
No doubt about it, no doubt about it. And along with the glow, we decided we're gonna take our glow and sails on and pick up this blues marker right outside of Grenada. All right, come on and ride along with us. I know you're gonna have a good time because I'm already am.
Enjoying these T-tops.
Oh yeah.
The blues marker for Magic Sam is located a few miles east of Grenada in the Knoxville community.
Swipe right to stay on Holmes Drive. In
Knoxville.
100 feet, your destination will be on the left.
All the time I'm gonna pass by this place.
Then you telling me you got a
Camaro or
Camaro.
Firebird.
Yeah, that's a Camaro, second gen Camaro.
And that old truck.
Your destination is on the left.
Huh. Magic Sam's house.
Magic Sam's birthplace now lies submerged beneath Grenada Lake, which was flooded in the late 1940s to create the lake as a flood control reservoir. Magic Sam's family relocated to the Knoxville community where he resided until he was 13.
All right, everybody. That was Magic Sam. It's a pretty nice spot in a pretty nice neighborhood. All right, guys. So this is going to be a short one. So we're just going to pick up one today. Hope you guys enjoyed this Blues Trail trip. Take care. And as always, be blessed. Peace.